Ultimate Collection Hockey just got in a 16-box Master Case Fresh. Never, Zach, never. One, two, three left. 4, 5, 6 right. 1, 2, 3 left. One on top, 8 on bottom. Number 5. 3, 4, 5. You get box number 21. That will leave over. Box 96, 04, 88, 47, 07, 47, and 59 are the leftovers. First box from the case. Let's see if we can hit a nice one. Okay. Maxime Lajoie. Nap's great-great-grandson. Evan Bouchard. It's the acetate non-numbered rookie. Ooh. Elias Pettersson. Signature material. What is that? Loretta's? Anyway, number to 49. Elias Pettersson. First box. Ultimate Collection. And Christian Vesalainen. $3.99. There you go. You got the Pettersson dude. Best rookie in the class. Sharks, thanks, buddy.